Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to filter. We are not using the filter option, we are using filter formula, filter as you type. So this is new formula which is inbuilt in Excel 365, which is under version of Office 365, or if you have a Excel 2019 you can use this filter function. So it's very easy. Instead of using filtering the data, you just filter as you type the formula. So just with a single value, suppose this is my database. Out of this database I want to filter the item where onshore is written. So I will type here formula of filter, which is I have to type filter. Then I have to select array. Array means the database from where I want to fetch the filter. So this is my whole database. I will select my whole database. It's better to press F4 so that you will freeze your data. And includes. Now here's the criteria you have to mention for filter. So here I want to search onshore in the item category. So I will select this item category where this is equal to onshore and then bracket close. Now see, it automatically give me the value of onshore. If I change it to maybe PV, it give me the value of PV. So it's very easy. You can just enter the value and your data will be ready. So even if I change here anything value here, it is automatically update here. Now in another example, suppose you have a two criteria. You want to search for two values, so you want to search more than one values. Like you want the data for where onshore is also there and PV is also there. For that we will use the formula filter with multiple condition. We just start with filter. I will select my array here, and includes, I want this two condition to be included. So for that I will start with a bracket that when this value is equal to onshore, and then bracket close plus. Now another criteria I will have to add plus here. Then the bracket start, this criteria is equal to this PV, bracket close and bracket close for filter, enter. Now say it's giving me the value of onshore and PV wherever it's mentioned. In another example we will learn, suppose in this case we want in previous example we have learned AND criteria when we want both. Now if we want OR condition like PV with value greater than only 50 lakhs to be shown here, so how then filter formula will work? So we will type filter here. First is we have to select our database. Now here criteria, first we start with the criteria of searching PV value. So this is to be searched in this, and this is equal to PV. Now here for AND we have type plus sign, for OR we have to type multiply sign, and then this amount is greater than this, bracket close, enter. Okay, so now it's giving me the value of PV where value is greater than 50 lakhs. Only in two cases greater than. If I change this to a PV here, it will automatically update here. So it's very easy. You can get your report summary done through this filter formula. Now in another example, you have seen by filtering it give you the whole database, but sometimes we required only some limited database. Like in this case I required only item and amount out of this, not invoice number. So for filtering specific tests, first we will type the simple formula of filter, selecting my array, and this value is equal to erection, bracket close. Now it's giving me the invoice number also, but I don't want the second column. So we will use again the filter formula here, filter, now here comma, now curly bracket, I have to type which column I required. For column I required, I will type 1. For column I not required, I will type 0. So first column I required, I type 1 for that, and for the second 0, and for other 1, because I don't require invoice number. So I will type 1 for item, 0 for invoice number, 1 for amount, and curly bracket close, and the final bracket close of filter formula. Now say it's giving me the value of erection and only amount. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel.